Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Jersey Mike's subs order. So as you can see over on your screen, there is a method like you can cancel your online order directly to the store you order. So the best thing to cancel your order, you need to contact your order provider, or you can say your store where you have placed your order. Okay, if you don't know where is your order and what is your order store number, then you need to check out, or you can say you need to check your email, and when you place your order you will get a confirmation email, and on the confirmation email you can see your store's phone number. Okay, you need to dial that number, and once you get connected you can tell them that you want to cancel your order, and if you are eligible for cancellation, and they can guide you how you can cancel, and if you are not eligible then they will guide you are not eligible for cancellation and all. So this is the method by which you can easily cancel your Jersey Mike's order. I hope you are getting my points. If yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.